4 June 2026 and the day today's our day 20 of 30 days reading challenge series dust or dust 20. So today's our story is keep in touch with family. After almost 2 years, I finally made a video call to my grandfather. But what he said shocked me. Who you are you? I don't know you. I was surprised. How could my grandfather not recognize our story is keep in touch with family. After almost 2 years, I finally made a video call to my grandfather. But what he said shocked me. Who you are you? I don't know you. I was surprised. How could my grandfather not recognize me? Was everything okay with him? My name is Manu and I live in Mumbai. I was not in regular touch with my paternal family. My father and I had left our village for better education and work. Last month I heard that my grandfather bought his first smartphone, a touch-screen mobile. I was excited to talk to him, so I called him on video. When he picked up, I greeted him happily. Pranam Dayaji. My grandfather smiled and replied, God bless you dear, but who are you? I don't recognize you. I have seen you somewhere, but I don't remember. At first I thought he was joking, but when I looked at his expression, I felt sad. How could my loving grandfather forget me? He was just 65 years old and had no illness. Then I quickly introduced myself. Dadaji, I am Monu, your grandson, son of your younger son Ramchandra. His expression suddenly changed. Monu, you have grown up. I didn't recognize you. The last time you came to the village, you were just 15 years old. Now you have a mustache and beard. You look like a young man. I smiled and replied, Yes, Dadaji, I had to leave the village for studies. And my father had to leave for work. I do visit my father's house, but only for a day or two. I want to come to your place, but I don't get enough time. Dadaji sang and said, I understand, but you should keep in touch with your family. You are our blood. At that moment I felt guilty. He was right. I quickly said, Dadaji, next time I will come to visit you for sure. To lighten the mood, I added a joke, otherwise you will forget me again and won't recognize me. We both laughed and continued talking. Moral, we should always keep in touch with our family. Family is the one who always stands by us, no matter what. It's really good because we touch with family. Family is the one who always stands by us, no matter what. Matter anything, whatever, anything, any matter. So family is always stand by us. So that's the today's story. Keep in touch with my family, and you also take in this story your point. Okay, I'm also take a point like I'm also keep touch with my family. Okay, definitely try it, and you also, and I hope you also take it in a 1 point. So today's our story is finished, and I hope you enjoyed our story and also 2-minute speaking classes. So till you the next one.